This is Deanna. She comes from a small Filipino town called Polangi. She was raised Catholic and her native language is Bicolnon.
And this is Drew. He is from a big American city called Phoenix. He was raised Jewish and his first language is English.
On paper, we have nothing in common, but the universe conspired us to meet at a travel event in Asia almost 4 years ago, and the rest was history. Despite coming from different ends of the world, we can easily adapt to each other's cultures. I often visit her family in the Philippines, and she comes to the US twice a year.
New York City!
And in between, we've been to nearly 50 countries and all 7 continents together.
Hi, we're here in Antarctica, the Maldives!
So we're out here in Paris and it is Deanna's birthday! But traveling with each other is not always easy. My passport lets me visit 166 countries without a visa, whereas Deanna can only visit 63. For our upcoming Euro trip, she needed to submit 150 pages to secure her Schengen visa. Back when we met, I was a travel blogger and Snapchatter, and Deanna was working at an office job at a global company. Nowadays, I make daily travel videos and she does digital marketing online, and we both work remotely from any location with a Wi-Fi signal.
So, how do we sustain this lifestyle constantly on the road?
The short answer is that we work a lot. While Instagram makes it look like we're always having fun, we're actually behind our computer screens about 70% of each day, sometimes even 100%. We live and die by Wi-Fi availability, whipping out our laptops in airports, hotels, taxis, coffee shops, and using our phones to catch up on work in between. On average, we clock in 12 to 15 hours of work a day, every single day of the year. To be honest, our lives are crazy and I don't know how we do it.
But we always find a way to make it work.
Yes, we do. Like any couple, we argue about the little things, especially since we are together 24/7, but we always find a way to compromise. She lets me play golf and plan all my crazy trips. Deanna's first time driving over here.
I'm the best driver ever.
While I let her go shopping for makeup and watch her crime shows. We never get caught up in finances. Sometimes I pay, sometimes she pays, because it all equals out in the end. We don't even think of ourselves in an interracial relationship, because our love looks beyond race, color, and religion. The bottom line is that we support each other to make our dreams come true, and that's the most important part to this relationship. So to wrap things up, Deanna and I work very hard for the life that we live. But is it worth it?
Definitely.
Okay, I'll cut it before the high five. That's
Okay.
good.
That was actually cute, even with the high five.
Okay, cool. We're done with the talking.
Okay,
Let's-
Michael, you do this.
I'm Drew Binsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.